making young Muslim productive. Ups and downs are a part of life, and we test you with evil and with good is trial, and to us you will be returned. Qur'an is the guidance. This is the book where there is no doubt, a guidance to those who are al-muttaqoon, the pious and righteous who fear Allah. Follow the Sunnah. Say, if you love Allah, then follow me. Allah will love you and forgive your sins. Verily, Allah is forgiving and merciful. Be in the company of good people. Friends on that day will be enemies of each other's, except the righteous. Look at the brighter side. Indeed, Allah loves those who put their trust in Him. Consider even the minutest good. So, whoever does an atom's weight, it good will see it. Hold yourself accountable. You are only being recompensed for what you used to do. Be grateful, and whoever is grateful for the benefit of himself. Be forgiving. Learn to forgiving and forbear. Do you not desire that Allah should forgive you? Continue on learning. My Lord, enrich me with knowledge. Thanks for watching. Awesome thoughts.